This is Rick Renner, and I'm speaking from Sparkling Gems, Volume 1, for August the 18th. And the gem says, don't give place to the devil. How in the world do you give place to the devil? And what does that mean? Well, our verse is Ephesians chapter 4, verse 27, which simply says, neither give place to the devil. The word place is the Greek word topos, and the word topos describes a real physical place, just as real as any open door or any open window. And here we find that by things we do in life, sometimes we inadvertently open a door or a window for the enemy to find access into our life. And when you read Ephesians chapter 4, you find that the Ephesian church was dealing with bitterness and hard-heartedness and wrath and bitter and clamor and evil speaking. And Paul says, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. When you behave like this, you're providing an entry point for the devil to access you and to access your affairs. So we need to shut every door, close every window, and that means we need to take inventory. And if we've got attitudes in our life that are wrong, we need to repent of them, stop them, and by stopping them, we close every door, we shut every window, and then we no longer give place to the devil.